In the silence before sound, a spark awoke. A thought became rhythm, a breath became hope. A light kissed the dark, and color began to dream. From nothing, everything started to sing. Every atom in motion, every heart aligned, creation unfolding, the pulse divine. We were born from the whisper, shaped by grace. The universe moved, and we took our place. Let there be rhythm, let there be rhythm, let there be rhythm, let me light. And danced in gardens of sound and color, where love was the law and art was wonder. Every choice painted skies anew, and their divine kept saying, I'm here with you. Curiosity called us into the wild, but every fall only shaped the style. Even in shadow, the rhythm stayed true. The song of creation kept breaking through. Breathe it in, we are alive. Every beat, the spark survives. We are the echo, we are the flame, born from the rhythm, called by name. Rain falls not to end but renew, washing the pain, revealing the truth. The rainbow rises, a covenant sky, saying beauty remains when tears run dry. Through towers of pride and hearts that break, through laughter, through loss, through every mistake, the rhythm continued, forgiving life, teaching us love is how a world survives. From dusk to dawn, the rhythm remains. Through every ending, creation reclaims what's lost, but only flames. Every heartbeat, the cosmos light. Now the stars hum softly, the song still grows. What was once a whisper now endlessly flows in every breath, in every nation. We are the echoes of creation.
Thank you for listening to the Faith and Creativity Bible soundtrack, where scripture becomes sound and sound becomes soul. If this touched your heart, please support our mission by donating through the link in the app. Or if you're already on YouTube, use the link in the description. And if you haven't yet discovered us on YouTube, just search the Faith and Creativity Bible on YouTube and subscribe to join our growing global family. Together, we're rewriting faith through art, one beat at a time.